Pip and Otis are slowly getting to know each other. Otis is still coming to terms that he's not the only dog in the house.
He's a tough nut to crack.
Pip is patiently waiting for him to come around. Watching them bond is a joy. This is how dogs, with a quick sniff, get information about dogs and humans by getting up close with their nose. Otis is really gentle. I love that he's letting her touch his face. Otis is warming up to her. Pip is really confident for a puppy. I'm so proud of her. Pip is being wonderfully playful.
Come on, let's play. Oops, that was close. Almost fell off.
It's wonderful to see how Pip is so relaxed around Otis. Otis is finally warming up to her.
Let's rumble. No fear.
That's as much extrovertism Otis can handle for one morning.
What?
Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.